The short answer is that this is permissible, so long as we're not harming the live person who is giving a donation. So in the case of a dead person, there's no harm to the dead person, but of course, we would want to make sure that this is done with the permission either of the deceased individual or the guardian of that individual or close relative, or in the case of, where this matter can be transferred to the state to give a ruling on this. So long as we're doing this in an appropriate way, not misusing the cadaver in any way. As for the live person, we want to make sure that the live person will not be significantly harmed by taking this organ or tissue from the person. Mm-hmm. And our Muslim scholars say that it will be unethical to sell any organ. Mm-hmm. So if somebody is doing this, it has to be something voluntarily given. Not something given for a price. This does not prevent the donor from receiving gifts. Naturally, the family, would be quite appreciative and might want to give some favors to the person who gave this donation, but it cannot be done for a price.
Mm-hmm. Dr. Sabir, what about if the transplant results in a little bit of possible harm to you? Right, but it's still for the better good of the individual receiving the transplant. Like, let's say a liver transplant, for example.
Yeah. So this is where the harms and benefits would have to be weighed. So if
I meant kidney.
Yeah. I was going to tell you I don't know much about liver transplants, but if a person gives one kidney and can survive on the other one, yes, but he's helping another person who has no kidney. Then it seems to me, I don't recall the scholars saying what specifically scholars have said about this, but it seems to me just off the cuff here that this is not something harmful. And I've actually known a good Muslim who donated his kidney to his brother, mm-hmm, who had no functioning kidney, and this was fine. I mean, they both went on to live a prolonged and happy life. So it's possible. So one has to weigh the benefits and harms. Like, how much would it harm the donor to give this donation, and how much would it benefit the recipient to receive this?